They officially gave you the crown, put on the cape, gave you your declaration and everything. How did that feel now to get that recognition, smell your flowers, and get to see the look in people's face when they seen that you got this thing here?
When I started out, as I said, it was purely to make people laugh. And my work continues to make people laugh. And there was never, ever a time in my life when I said, I'm doing this because I can get Lifetime Achievement Awards. I can get awards from the government, CD, OD. I can get honorary doctorate from the University of the West Indies, for which I am very grateful. I can get Oliver Samuels Days established all over America and this kind of stuff. I never did. So whatever I get, to me, is barter. Whatever I get, to me, it's that people truly appreciate and recognize the contribution that I have made. And for that, I am truly, truly thankful.